Haven't you heard of First TV?
Home of Nollywood movies.
Subscribe now.
First TV. Don't touch that cat.
And where do you think you are going to?
Uncle, I'm just returning from a very long journey. I've gone through a lot. I'm here to mourn my mother and younger siblings. This is not the time for questions.
This is the time you have to go back to where you're coming from.
You're alive.
Don't you dare, evil. After everything you did to this family, using Mama and Abuchi for rituals, you had the guts to show your filthy face here.
Jim, I can explain. Believe me, it's not what you think. You know me, I'll never hurt you. I'll never do anything to hurt any member of our family. You know me, I love you. I've always loved you. I love Mama and Abuchi. It's deep. It's deep. I went through a lot. I went through a whole lot. Just hear me out, okay?
We are done hearing you and have mourned the outcome of your evil escapade and have decided it's enough. Meanwhile, Igwe and his cabinet members have decided that you are no longer part and parcel of this community.
Huh?
Because we cannot live with an abomination.
Yes. And for everything you have done to this family, peace shall elude you.
Mama and Abuchi loved you like a son and a brother. What was their reward? Killing them?
See, Chinwe, you're my sister. Let me just explain. Even if these people don't understand, I believe you'll understand. I went through a lot, but you're still my sister.
Go and live in your world. I will never have a blood-sucking demon like you as a relative. Never.
If you know what is best for you, leave this place now. Else, I'll call the youth to deal with you.
Get it? I'm actually going to see you.
Wonder shall never end. So after how many weeks, you decided to show up? Ah, Louise, why are you this wicked? Eh? Leaving your wife without even trying to know how she's doing. Ah.
Get it? It's a long story. Very long story, honestly. You'll not understand. Not understand. I went through a lot. I just returned from where I went to. I didn't see my wife at home. So I decided to come here to know if she's in your place. Is she here?
Seriously? So you don't know?
Know what?
Your wife is dead. Yes. As a matter of fact, her corpse has been deposited in the morgue, waiting for you to come identify her.
She's dead.
Who's dead?
Your family member.
Good day, sir.
Yes, good day. Who are you?
I'm Barrister SHK, and you must be Mr. Liz, right?
Yes, I'm Liz. Barrister. Come. Please hurry. I know this must be about the house rent that I'm owing. I will not lie, I've not paid. I know I won't lie. I won't run away, okay? Help me talk to the landlord. Just tell him to give me some more time. A little more time. Right here, now. I don't have 1 naira.
House rent? You must be mistaking me for someone else. I'm Mr. Akwibe's attorney. I came to see you because he named you as heir to his properties.
Huh?
I brought you documents so you can sign as sole executor of his properties.
Huh? Me? What about his wife and sons?
Before his demise, he divorced his wife for infidelity. And as for his 2 sons, a DNA test confirmed that they're not his biological sons.
What?
And like I said earlier, that makes you sole inheritor to his property.
Madam, where's my money?
Which money?
Were you not the one that said you will perform the sacrifice that will make my son talk again?
Hey.
And you disappear since then? Because where is my money?
You better go and ask that your son about your money. As you can see, I'm just coming down from the mountain and I'm tired. I need to eat. Oh?
Just Negodi, or is not eating. Madam, you better go inside there and bring my money. Or you will see the other side of me.
Just let me finish my food. Before I will go inside and get your money. Oh? Come and ask me.
I said give me my money.
The life of a man is nothing but a number. Himself, a flower, quickly fading. Here today, and gone tomorrow. Wouldn't last for eternity, but for a speck of time. I can't believe I lost my family in my quest to get rich. So who gets to enjoy all these with me? Louis, you have to do better. This is a new beginning, Louis. Use it well.
Hello, handsome. Oh. I've been expecting you back home.
Expecting me back where? What is wrong with you? Our business is done. You should go back to wherever you came from.
You are shocked to see me. I understand. I am here to finish what we started.
And what did we start?
I am going to be your wife.
Excuse me. Excuse me. See, stop this thing. Can you hear me? Stop this thing. I want my peace of mind. Get out. Leave me alone.
The little affair we had unsettled the cosmic balance. Now, you are going to make me your wife.
Let me be, I'm done with you.
Unveil the bride. Jessica, take your vow.
With this ring, I lift your grief. Your cup will never be empty, for I will be your wine. You are mine. Together we shall be, till forever do us part.
Ladies and gentlemen, meet the newest couple, Mr. and Mrs. Louis Okafor.
Louis, someone.
My happy love.
Inquit. Brother Louis.
Of the past is here to hurt me. And so I ask me, why not go away? Did not go away. You did not pack your bags and leave. I cry, and I ask you why you did not go away. You did not pack your bags and leave. Oh, hey, it is the story of the life of me. So painful I cannot believe. I wish that it is but a dream. Wake me up. Atrocities, abominable things I did. The secrets of the past is here. It haunted me. And so I ask me, why not go away? Did not go away. You did not pack your bags and leave. I cry, and I ask you why you did not go away. You did not pack your bags and leave. Of the life of me, so painful I cannot believe. I wish that it is but a dream. Oh, wake me up. Atrocities the way of life. Abominable things I did. The secrets of the past is here to hurt me. And so of the life of me, so painful I cannot